This presentation is brought to you by Brain Core Therapy. Attention Deficit Hyperactive Disorder, also known as ADHD, can be debilitating for those that suffer from it. Luckily, there's a safe, non-invasive, non-medication therapy available. It's known as biofeedback. Living with ADHD can be a very difficult thing. It is nearly impossible to explain what it's like to people that don't have it. Your brain has difficulty focusing even on things such as personal and romantic relationships and professional success. To make matters worse, it's a perennially misunderstood disease by the world at large. ADHD is all too real for those who suffer from it. It's a disorder that stems from the executive function of the brain, the same place where many other misunderstood disorders originate, such as depression, anxiety, and autism. Some people have postulated that human beings evolved ADHD to become better hunters and gatherers. But in our sedentary lifestyle, we no longer have use for this particular genetic mutation. Thus, it only causes us grief and problems at school, work, and home. Those that suffer from ADHD are often prescribed powerful stimulants, like Adderall and Focalin, to help them direct their attention. And while many people have found success through this avenue, there are concerns with the potential long-term effects of these drugs. Not everyone is comfortable with having a lifelong elevated heart rate and elevated levels of stress chemicals in their blood. The fact that stimulants are often habit-forming gives many patients pause as well. However, there is a safe, non-invasive therapy without the use of drugs. It's called biofeedback, and it is utilized for ADHD in many cases. Biofeedback for ADHD is a perfect marriage of a technology that is over a century old, EEG. It has been proven perfectly safe and free of side effects, and a new application. Essentially, a therapist or technician affixes electrodes to a patient's scalp, which reads a patient's brainwaves and displays them on a screen. The patient then performs activities, usually which come in the form of a video game, and teaches them how to sync up their physiology and neurological activity. And this way, the patient learns what actions they can take to restore their brainwaves to healthy functioning frequencies. Biofeedback for ADHD usually takes about 12 weeks before a patient can effectively manage their own brainwaves, and in some research, the technique has shown to be just as effective as a daily 30 milligram dose of Ritalin, but without any of the pounding heart rate, anxiety, and the loss of appetite that typically accompanies that drug. If you have a current diagnosis and you are concerned about the adverse side effects that come from using stimulants and other medication therapies, ask your doctor about biofeedback right away. It may be just the treatment you're looking for. For more information or to schedule a consultation, please visit our website at www.braincoretherapy.com.